China has unveiled a new type of warplane. It is a stealth fighter. The fighter has a unique feature. It can detach parts of its wings. These parts become drones. This technology is a major advance for China's Air Force. The new fighter is a blended wing design. This means it has a smooth, continuous surface. This makes it harder for radar to detect. The detachable wing sections add a new dimension to its capabilities. This innovation has caught the attention of military experts worldwide. It signals China's ambition to dominate the skies. The fighter's ability to transform in midair is unprecedented. It could change how air battles are fought in the future. The combination of stealth and drone technology is formidable. It presents a significant challenge to other air forces. This development has put China at the forefront of military aviation technology. It underscores the country's commitment to modernizing its armed forces. China has been conducting rigorous testing of its new fighter jet. The tests are happening in secret locations. Engineers want to make sure the plane is reliable and effective. They are paying close attention to how the detachable wings work. Initial reports suggest the tests are going well. The fighter is performing as expected. The detachable wings are functioning correctly. They are separating and rejoining smoothly. The drone wings are more than just extra parts. They carry weapons and sensors. This makes the fighter more versatile and dangerous. It can attack from multiple directions. The tests are ongoing. Engineers are still gathering data. They want to push the fighter to its limits. This will ensure it is ready for real combat situations. The new Chinese fighter jet represents a major shift in aerial warfare. The combination of stealth and drones is revolutionary. It could change how air battles are fought in the future. Stealth technology makes the fighter difficult to detect. This gives it a significant advantage in combat. It can attack enemy aircraft and targets on the ground without being seen. The detachable drone wings add another layer of complexity. They can act as decoys, confusing enemy radar. They can also carry out attacks independently. This makes the fighter a multi-role platform. Analysts believe this technology could render traditional fighter jets obsolete. The Chinese fighter represents the future of air power. It is a game changer in military aviation. Section 4. The visionaries behind the innovation. The development of the transforming fighter jet is a testament to Chinese engineering ingenuity. Talented engineers have worked tirelessly to make this concept a reality. They have overcome numerous technical challenges. Du Xin, a leading aerospace engineer, played a crucial role in the project. He is an expert in stealth technology. He helped design the fighter's unique shape. This shape minimizes its radar signature. Yang Wei, a specialist in drone technology, also made significant contributions. He led the development of the detachable wing sections. These sections can operate autonomously. The combined efforts of Du Xin, Yang Wei, and their teams have resulted in a groundbreaking achievement. They have pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering. Their work has given China a technological edge in military aviation. Section 5. Reshaping future combat scenarios. The arrival of China's transforming stealth fighter has significant implications for future combat scenarios. Its advanced capabilities could alter the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. The fighter's stealth technology makes it ideal for penetrating enemy airspace undetected. This could give China a decisive advantage in a conflict. It could launch surprise attacks on key targets. The detachable drone wings add a new dimension to air combat. They can swarm enemy aircraft, overwhelming their defenses. They can also target multiple ground targets simultaneously. Military strategists are still analyzing the full implications of this new technology. However, it is clear that it has the potential to reshape warfare as we know it. Section 6. A powerful addition to China's arsenal. China's new transforming stealth fighter is a powerful addition to its growing military arsenal. It underscores the country's ambition to become a leading military power. The fighter's advanced capabilities, including stealth and drone technology, make it a formidable weapon. It enhances China's ability to project power in the region. It also strengthens its defenses against potential adversaries. The development of this aircraft is a clear signal of China's military ambitions. It is a reminder that the country is investing heavily in modernizing its armed forces. It is a development that other countries cannot afford to ignore. The transforming stealth fighter is a symbol of China's technological prowess. It highlights the country's determination to remain at the forefront of military innovation. It is a game changer that will shape the future of aerial warfare.